What's up, Kid Crispies? Kid Crispy here. I'm bored, so I'm gonna do a Kid Crispy is bored episode. Let me see what I got. I got cards. I got cards. Okay, well, I don't know what to do with them. So, ow, fuck. I should bleep that out. I got, stuff. Stuff, you know? Stuff? I mean, I got, I don't know. Got hand sanitizer. I don't know why I have that. We still haven't played this yet. I plan to play it soon, very soon. I have yet to do some time traveling episodes, and I will do them with my friend, the Time Turner. And, what else? Yep, so I'm bored, so we're gonna play a Star Wars game. Because these card games, they're playing cards, but I want to make a Star Wars game. So, let's go do that right now. Yo, you got some tacos! Chimichangas! You know Stabs McGee? Yeah, man, I don't know. What? No, I don't have any chicken. Yeah, bro, let's go get some chicken. Wait, I got the camera on. Let's go. That was good chicken. Wait, where was I? What was I doing like 2 hours ago? Oh, yeah, the cards. Okay, the cards. Card game. Let's shuffle this shit up. Oh. Let's do some shuffling, then. Make it rain. I'm making it rain. I can say I cleaned that up now. Aw, man, they're slippery. They're like brand new. I haven't really opened them yet. Yeah. Chicken bone. No, not really. I'm not that stupid. I'm not stupid, period. So, I really don't know the object of the game. I just made it up. So let's do this. I'm going to show you cards. And then in the comments below, you're going to decide who won. Let's do this. I got the villain cards. Probably going to be Darth Maul or shit like that. I don't know. Oh yeah, this will be on my uncensored playlist. So if you're a kid or a child, do not watch these episodes because they will scar you for life. Okay, I'm going to show you the cards. There's 52, so there's 100 cards in each. No, 52 plus 52 is 52 plus 52 equals 102. Yep. Let's do this shit. Or is it 104? I really don't know. We'll find that out later. I'm going to show you one card. First, I'm going to show you heroes, because, you know, Jedi. What do I have first? My eyes are closed. I have no idea what I'm showing you. Okay. And next, I'll show you this. This is round 1. Tell me tell me who won in the comments below. If you don't know who won, just guess. I don't know. Have fun with that. And here are the other two. Oh. Here are the other two. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And we're going to do 2 more. And then we're going to do something weird. Oh no, read a book. Radio, man, whatever. We'll keep it on. No weird like that. Okay, shit. Okay, ready? 1, 2. That, guys, I got rudely interrupted by my dumbass camera. Okay, these are the 2. Tell me who won. And here are the last. Give it a minute to sink in. Give it a minute to sink in. You give it a minute to sink in. You good? Yeah, you good? You give it a minute to sink in? Okay. Now, Alright, damn, my eyes have to get adjusted. Okay, here we go. Now, we will see who won, and then we'll go on from there. So, yeah, let's go. Next, we're gonna do some crazy shit. We're gonna look at this hockey stick for 2 minutes. Cause I'm weird like that. Oh, while we're doing this, I mean, I don't know. You can talk. Okay, I'll be back. Because my camera is being a dumbass. Okay, here we go. 3 candies. You got purple, red, and orange. Well, I'm guessing this is orange. This is cherry, and this is grape. I hope I'm right, because if I'm not, it's going to be a pretty interesting episode of Get Crispy is Bored. Let's do it. Okay, the first one I'm going to pick is orange. My least favorite when it comes to flavors of candy, because they always taste like a crappy version of an orange. This better taste like an orange, or I'm going down to Sacramento. Go bust some heads. Here we go. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it tastes like shit, but it doesn't. 8 out of 10. Huh? Okay. Now, purple or red? Or pink, I really don't know. Okay. That's what we're taking. Let's see what I got before. Okay, oh. What is that? Ugh. Oh. This is the grape one. Maybe. The grape? No. Cherry. Yeah, it's cherry, because here's the grape one. It doesn't taste like cherry. It tastes more like a bubblegum. Well, I can't really say anything bad about Sacramento, so, 8 out of 10, yeah. Pretty, decent. I mean, the orange one was really good, but this is lower my expectations. So check out the cherry one, after I'm done eating this one. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, Happy President's Day is what I should say. Happy President's Day. What's that? Okay, I'm thinking the most patriotic thing I can think of. Give me a minute. Da 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 na na na. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da 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 da. Oh my god, I'm a horrible singer. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Ba 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 na 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 na. Ba 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 ba. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Brave. Hey, get out of here, Diva Dragon. I'm actually sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. It's alright. It's alright. Amiga, you like the love her. Really? Oh yeah, I'm gonna burn that out. So, enough of the awkwardness. Let's try the cherry. Let's try the grape. Time to try the grape one. Pretty good. 5 out of 10. Wasn't that good. Tastes nothing like grape. Okay, well, leave comments, suggestions, like, comment, subscribe on this channel. And I'll see you whenever I see you. Bye.